Hello everybody, in this video we are going to set up Git and GitHub on our Windows machine. I'm going to use Windows 11 but the process will be same for Windows 10 also. Now go to the Chrome or any web browser that you like to, then search for the Git, then you will land up in this page. So go on the very first link of Git. Here just scroll a little bit down and you will find the downloads, then go to the download, then you will find Windows here and just click on Windows. Then if your system is 32-bit, then install this one. Otherwise, you can install the 64-bit. My system is 64-bit, so I'm going to download the 64-bit one. This will start your download. So wait until it download. I'm going to skip this part. Now it's downloaded. So let's open the file. You can just double click on the .exe file. This is about the license and the privacy document. So just click on next. You will see here multiple options. So what else do you want? Like I'm going to say like, okay, show the icon on the desktop, add a Git bash profile on Windows terminal, delete. I'm also going to do this one also. Continue with the install. This will install the required files. I'm going to skip this video part and continue again. Git is installed on your machine. So just click on the launch Git bash and view release notes. I'm not going to view any release notes. So just click on launch Git bash and do the finish. This window will pop up after you start the Git bash. Now let's check the version. Currently 2.48.1 is installed on my machine, so it might be different for you. Now Git is configured, so I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code. I've created a test.py file, so let's try some code here. Print hello world. Now let's try some of the Git command. So I'm just going to do the basic thing here. First we have to do git init, which will initialize the .git file here. So initialize into git repository, you can see here. After git initialize, then add git add this.py, and this is added. Also do git commit -m, you can say post commit. This is a commit message. Please tell me who you are. So this is going to ask us about our user email and username, which is required for the commit. So just copy the above command and paste it here. So put your email address here. I'm going to say test@code with Yubraj.com, and also you need to add the username also. So just copy the command again. Now replace the name here with your original name. I'm going with code with Yubraj here. Now our git is configured. Let's go and let's say git add test.py, then again git commit -m, then the value will be first commit. Okay, you can see like we have already initialized the git and we have performed the very first commit. Once you commit into the git, what you want to do is like you have to open the git bash. After that you have to create a ssh key for accessing the GitHub, and you need to set up that into a github.com also. So I'm just going to show you the command. I've already pasted it here. So you can see like ssh-keygen, then this is the algorithm that is going to use, and you just have to type your email address. So let me copy this command. Once you copy the command, then go to the git bash, then right click on your mouse and do the paste. You can see like we have a ssh-key generation and -t, then the algorithm. So put your email address here, replace this dummy email with your own email, hit the enter. So it's going to ask you like enter file unit you want to save. You just want to click the do it on the default. So just click enter. If you want any passcode whenever you access the git, then you can put the passcode here, but I'm not going to do that as it's my local machine. So just do enter here also. So enter the same password as you haven't put anything. So just click so the above command will create two files for us, and one is for the public key and another is private key. So let's go to the cd.ssh. You can do, and just if you do the ls, then you can see like there is two files. You never want to display any of these information as these are very crucial. To among these two files, what you have to do, we have to just copy the dot pop one. So there is a command in Windows that you can follow. Just go to the this one, and you can see here is already a command. So let me just copy this one also. Right click your mouse and paste it. So what this command will do is like this is going to copy this the content of this file into your clipboard. So just enter and your content is copied. Now what you want to do is like you go to the Chrome, then go to github.com. If you go to the github.com, then if you don't have an account, then create one, then move to the right side. Here you just want to look for the settings option. Here is the setting option. On the settings menu, you will see multiple things, but what we are trying to do is like we are trying to see the SSH and GPG keys. Now go to the SSH and GPG keys. Now what we have just created a SSH key here, so let's try to let's add the SSH key into our GitHub account. New SSH key. So title is like personal window. Okay, personal window machine, and this is the authentication key. This is the authentication key type. Then you just want to paste the content that you have just copied. So I'm going to blur this one. Let's do the Control V, type the add SSH key. Now you will see like the SSH key has been added. Go to the menu and let's create the very first repo of our. You just need to create a new repository. Just click on new. Code Yubraj repository name is like first repo. Description, I'm just going to say first one, but not the last. So for now I'm going to create this one as a public, nothing. Now let's create the repository. Once you created a repository, then you will see this window. So we are not going with HTTPS. We have already set up our SSH key. So just go to the SSH and see the instruction. You can see like we have already done the git init, git add, also git commit. So the next step that we are going to do is like git remote, add origin, and this one. Okay, so let's say git branch -m to create the new branch. Then go to the base code and paste it there. So it is going to create a new branch. So you can see it here by git status. If you do the git status, then it will show on branch main. So we have just created a main branch. So it's going to say like git branch main. You are on the main branch. Now let's do the clear and again go to the Chrome. We have completed this step. So the next step is to adding the git, our local git with the remote one. So for that you will just copy this command and go to the Visual Studio Code, then do the Ctrl+V, then it will add our git with our remote github.com. Okay, so this is our SSH URL. So the next command, just go to the browser and you will see git push u origin main. This command will push our changes into the GitHub server. So let's copy this one and come here, then paste it. So let's hit enter. It's going to ask if we trust this one or not. So just say yes here. Then SSH key will be added to our machine and boom, our first thing has been pushed. Now go to the GitHub repo and reload your repository and see there is a tester file which says first commit. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Git. Also added the SSH key to access all the repository of your GitHub. So thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this.